In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fit shelves with various brackets that we can get from Galma. All of the hardware I used in this video, I'll tag in the video description, and you can go get it from your nearest Galma store. So first off, we're going to use the double slot band bracket system. It comes with this double slot band that we fix to the wall, and these brackets that we slide into the slots here, making the shelves adjustable. And then secondly, we're going to use a few of these heavy duty shelf brackets, and then also some of these lighter duty shelf brackets. Then a few tools that we'll need, starting off with a pencil, a nail punch, some masking tape, a hammer, masonry nails, also a spirit level. Going over to the power tools, we'll need a normal cordless drill and a hammer drill. We've got a rotary hammer drill here with a masonry drill bit. The rotary hammer drill uses a STS masonry drill bit. And we'll also then need a vacuum cleaner just to make sure we're not making a massive mess while we're at it. So let's go over and start fitting the shelves. Okay, so this is the area where I'll be using the double slot band brackets. I've cut my shelves 1.2 meters long, and there will be 5 shelves here. I'm going to measure out so that these brackets are about 300 or 250 from the ends down the middle. So remember your tape measure. So with these brackets, you definitely want to make sure that they are exactly on the same level, because if you put one lower or higher than the other, your shelf won't be straight. Okay, so now I'm going to use this masking tape to put it over the marks that I made where I'm going to drill holes so that I don't damage the paint as I drill. Sometimes the cement and the paint becomes brittle around where you're drilling, and then it chips off. So this is going to help prevent that. Alright, so now I'm going to use this nail punch to put it on the mark and just make a hole on each mark so that when I use my drill bit, my masonry drill bit, it stays on that mark and doesn't slip. It'll just help me drill more precise. So you want to take out the nail itself and just put the plastic part into the wall. So I just noticed that these masonry nails will actually be too short for the double slotted bracket. So we can still use the plastic parts that I put into the wall now, but I'm going to use a different screw that's 50 millimeters long with a 10 millimeter head. So make sure you use screws that's long enough and the heads are big enough to properly catch onto the bracket and it doesn't go through when you tighten it. Okay, so now to fix the shelves to the brackets, you can see it tapers down here. So at the back we'll have to use a longer screw and at the front we can use a shorter screw. At the front we can use a 30 millimeter chibboard screw and at the back here a 50 millimeter chibboard screw will do the trick. And there we go. That's how easy it is to install the double slot bracket shelves. They're all adjustable but still sturdy. Really easy to install and it looks great. Alright, so now we're going to use these heavy duty shelf brackets in the kitchen. We've got a nice corner here. We want some extra storage space for our cups, etc. So we're going to fit these brackets here with a nice pine shelf. Alright, so now we're going to use these masonry nails, 6x42. Now you remove the plastic from the nail. We insert the plastic part right in there. Okay, to fix the shelf to the bracket, I'm just going to use these 20mm chipboard screws. Make sure that you don't use screws that's longer than your shelf is thick, so it doesn't go straight through your shelf. And there we go. That's how easy it is to install Galma's heavy duty brackets. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to use these lighter duty shelf brackets in the office area here to mount a shelf right here for some paperwork or general storage. Okay, again I'm going to use 20mm chipboard screws to fix the shaft to the brackets here. And there you go, that's how easy it is to use all these different shaft brackets from Galma. We've shown you the double slot shaft brackets, the heavy duty brackets and these lighter duty brackets. It's very simple, very easy to install. I hope this video helps you. Until next time.